So I just had to get this on tape really quick because I have an assistant and I'm trying to thread this machine, and as you can tell, I'm having a little difficulty because someone is too nosy and wants my thread. So as soon as I get it through the needle, she's probably going to pull it out. But I just wanted to get her on tape because nobody ever believes that she helps me. She loves thread. She loves bobbins. She's just a little goofball. This is Lizzie. And I can't even thread this darn needle right now. What the heck is going on? Seriously? There it goes. So, it's through. Oh. We're going to see how long this lasts. I have an assistant on the payroll back there. She's supervising all activities. So I'm going to go ahead and do the video on this 401. Well, I've got it started. Might as well, right? This is a Singer 401A. Serviced and ready to go. I don't have like a bunch of original stuff to put with it. I don't have like the original accessory box, but I have gathered up some stuff to put with it. It gets 4 cams, some bobbins, original screwdrivers, straight foot, zipper foot, and a roller foot. And it also gets this really cool vintage zigzag sewing book by Singer. It was 25 cents. Copyright 1963. Very, 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 very cool little magazine. Little instructional book. Just a collectible. And it actually has a 500, a 500A, a 503. This is a 328, and then it has a Spartan as well. Pretty cool. We'll include that with it. Now this machine, of course, is a Slant O Matic. It has 30 plus built-in stitches, and it also uses the top hat cams. There are 22 total available cams, but it's kind of redundant to include all the cams with this machine because this machine will create the patterns on its own. So you get the 4 out of the 5 original cams that were included from the factory, and the machine does not make these patterns, so you'll get those. And of course it's a class 66 drop-in bobbin, slant shank, and the cool thing is it's double needle capable, and instead of buying a special double needle, you can put 2 needles up in the needle bar side by side. Your patterns are created by different letter combinations, and a quick guide up here underneath your top layer, your top panel. It's got a quick guide on what letters together will make what patterns. It has primary and secondary patterns. Oh, well, it has one in it. What one's in it? Oh, okay. Well, that one's already in it, so we'll take that out. But it is serviced and ready to go. Cosmetically, it's fairly nice. It has a little roughness here along the front edge, but no major paint loss or damage. It's got a minor chip here on the top corner, minor chip here on the front edge, and some scratches here along the nose. But overall, it's in good shape. It's tabletop ready, or of course you can put it in a cabinet or carrying case. So here we go. I'm going to start with a straight stitch. And we'll see how long this thing lets it go before she tries to catch it. That lasted longer than I thought. Might have to bring the tension in just a bit. So let's go out to zigzag, which is B and L combination. It's easier to move the inner dial if you have your red lever all the way over on 0. So let's see how straight stitch goes. Oh, and I think our needle has an issue because no, needle seems fine. Maybe it's the tension. We'll put the thread back in there. I have help. I'm going to tighten up this bobbin just a hair. Let's see what that does. This could be an issue too. There we go, now it's straightened out. It likes that bobbin. I don't know why that's so loose. I'm going to try another bobbin. You notice Miss Thing back there is watching what I do with my bobbins because she's a little nosy butt. Aren't you, Missy? So let's change. We're going to go to an H and L, which is like a domino pattern. And we're going to switch to Cam.
Did she try to steal the show yet?
Yep. She helped me thread. We're going to put it on special, which is Cam. And then, of course, you can pull it in as short as you'd like. It's the bar. And that is the Singer Slant O Matic Model 401A. Serviced and ready to go. With my assistant, Lizzie Lou, back there. My email is underneath the video. If you have any questions, there's a subscribe icon at the top right corner of the video. If you want to know when I upload a video, you click on that and you can subscribe. This machine is ready to go.